Hey there, Andy from Evolution here. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Today is an absolutely beautiful day. As you can probably see from behind me, I've been lucky enough to work from home today, so I can enjoy working from the garden. But it got me thinking that you guys, as office supplies dealers, will have literally hundreds, if not thousands, of customers who are all sat inside sweltering offices today, just wishing that they could have a nice cold drink or a desk fan or something that you guys could supply them that would cool them down and make their hot and sweaty office just a little bit more pleasurable. And with that, it got me thinking about how we could help at Evolution. And so whether you're an existing customer of ours or interested or don't have a web store or anything like that at the moment, I'd like just to give you just a quick 2-minute demonstration of how easy it is to create something that will really be compelling to show your customers and is very likely to make them buy from you. So what I'm going to do is just quickly show you how easy it is to make a landing page on the Evolution stuff. You have to forgive me squinting a bit. The sun is quite bright. It's a luxury, I suppose, I'm having to put up with. And so this is just an Evolution demo store. And what I want to do is I'm going to put a banner on the front of the store here that just attracts people who are hot in their offices, who want to cool down, something like that. And also you could send an email out using the Evolution email tool to all of your customers to point them towards the page that I'm going to sit behind the banner. So first thing we're going to do is going to jump into what we call the admin screen, which is where you come to administrate your web store. Okay, I'm going to go down to Sales and Marketing Manager, and then from there I'm going to add a promotion for a banner. I'm just going to call this Hot Day, this promotion, and it's going to go banner position number 1. So I'm going to add new banner, banner location 1. Again, I'm going to call it Hot Day, save. And then I've got the options here, so I'm going to put a start date in. It doesn't really matter when the start date is, and I'm going to let this one run through to the end of summer, let's say. So let's say the end of summer is the start of September. Here's where I'd normally put a URL in if I wanted to link somewhere, but today I'm going to actually want to put a page behind the site, so I'm just going to save those for the dates. Okay, I'm going to put some banner text in now. Let's just call it, I don't know, cool down with these special offers. I don't mean to complain because it is a lovely day, but even touching the laptop is pretty hot. It's like when you're on holiday and you have bare feet and you touch the tarmac and it burns your feet. So that's going to be my header. So really straightforward. You can see here that I'm not out doing anything that you guys wouldn't be doing if you're making flyers or anything like that. Check out our coolest items below for a hot summer. Great. And that's that. I'm just going to actually what I might do is let's put in an image in here as well. I'm going to put in the banner that I'm going to use. Oops, got the wrong bit here. None of that. What am I doing? Should know better. So I'm going to go onto my desktop where I've saved the banner, and I'm going to just upload it, send it to the server. It's all very straightforward. No real trickery here. Okay, so I've got my cool thing there. Got some text at the top and bottom. Let's save that. Okay, and now I'm going to add products. So this is the bit where we're going to make like a landing page. So we're going to have like the header, then we have the products underneath. Now I can just enter in products here if I know the product codes. Let's do Coke, and let's sell that for $9.99. I don't even know what the quantity is, but for argument's sake. And I could just keep going through. You can see that's added in now. I can add in another product. Let's put in some Diet Coke. I'm not pretending for a second I know these codes. I only know Tipex, but I know I'm not alone in that. But Tipex doesn't really work on a hot day. Okay, so I could just carry on adding codes like that, but actually in the Blue Peter fashion that we're going with here, you can also put the product codes onto an Excel spreadsheet, so you can literally have a list of product codes you want to add onto this landing page and the prices. So here's one I've done earlier. Again, I've saved it on my desktop, just a CSV file, 2 columns, very straightforward. I'm going to upload that. Okay, all uploaded, lovely jubbly. So now if we come back down to the bottom here, you can see these are all the products from the CSV file that I've uploaded, which this is what a CSV file looks like, by the way. So it's just a product code and the price, very, very straightforward. And I just save that as a CSV file. So yes, we've got the start and end date, we've got the text that goes on it, we've got the products we've imported. Now let's upload the banner. And again, just straight from my desktop, could not be easier. and I know the width, the height, sorry, is 200, I believe, could be wrong, and the width is 650. Upload my banner. Unfortunately, I live in, as Paddy would say, the Wisbech St Mary ghetto, so internet connection isn't great, but that looks to be uploaded. So I'm going to come back to my site here now, just refresh, and there you go. You can see my banner that's coming up there. It's great. And if I click through on it now, this is where the real magic happens. I click through, and again, I've got this landing page. So I've got desk fans from the products I added earlier. I've got drinks to cool me down, everything. Now, if you can imagine, if it's a hot day, one of your customers has come online to your site to do some ordering, yeah, I see that banner. Actually, yeah, that on a Friday especially, you know, I'm going to order some of these products straight into my shopping basket. Happy days. Also, let's just not forget that this page here is actually a real page now, so I can take this page and I can send this out in an email to anyone, you know, just like I've sent to you guys, hot question mark, or is it a hot day, put the link in there, your customers click straight through and they're going to be happy to see these drinks. I know I am, I'm parched. So that's it, guys. So one thing I would say, just jump onto the demo store, the link's in the email if you want to take this banner. I made this banner earlier. Happy for anyone that wants to use the banner to use it. No problems at all. So all you would do then is just come onto it, right click on it, and then save image. Depending on your browser, it might lay out differently, but pretty straightforward. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you have some success with that little tip. Cheers. Bye.